Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. And when I do a design like this, or to show you how to make it, the design itself isn't that big a deal, but it's how I got there and got it evenly. And this is our model that we're going to use right here. And all it is four circles and a rounded off square. So that's a few tools right there. So I'm going to hold down the control button and draw a perfect square. I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. Now I want that box to be a certain size. It doesn't matter what size, but I want to make it like 16. Then I'm going to go right here with my ratio locked, my edit corner ratio locked. I'm going to type in 3 and just give it some rounded corners. Now it's still a 16 by 16. Half of that is 8. So I'm going to draw a box or a ellipse, and I'm going to make it 8 inches. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to select them all, both, and I'm going to hit B to put it to the bottom. Now, I'm going to select it again and hit Control D, and then reselect the shape and hit T for top. Now, I could do the same thing with making a duplicate. And, well, you can either, I'm going to show you 2 ways. Control D to make a duplicate and mirror this or rotate it 90 degrees. That's what we want. But we could do it what we did before. I'm going to just make sure I just got 1 copy, and I do. I could make a duplicate of this and hit P and then shift select, so the other way is actually easier, and then hit L and it would move over there. And then all I have to do is select that, shift select that. Well, I need to make a duplicate, so do that, Control D, shift select the rectangle, and then hit R. So you get the didn't really even need this one. Didn't really need this one. We really just need these 2. Well, we do need this one for that curvature. Don't need the bottom one. So we're going to take our Smart Fill tool. I'm going to use a different color this time. And I'm going to use that light turquoise or whatever it is. First of all, I need to take my virtual segment delete key and delete that line. So here's my shape I want. Smart Fill tool. I'm going to nudge that out of the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete this one because I've got one right there. I'm going to take away the outline by right clicking. Now I want a little darkness up in this corner. So I'm going to grab my interactive fill tool and I'm going to put a little black in that side, and it makes it a little bit darker. I'm actually going to make it quite a bit darker on this. Whoop. Whenever you do that, just back up, move that in. So there's quite a bit of darkness. Now, this is the center of the page. Control D to duplicate it, Alternate C to have it rotate from the center, and we're going to rotate it that 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. So to me, it looks like that it is kind of a twisted pattern that's going underneath. Now, you could do a lot more with this, and let's just do that because the video itself isn't that big a deal. Let's just take that away. Let's go ahead and take that away, and let's left click, right click. I am going to go up to Effects, and I'm going to contour to the inside 0.1. That's pretty good. That's exactly kind of what I wanted. Now, I don't have to do anything to this. I can take my Smart Fill tool, and what this is going to do is going to space out those parts. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this, bring this back, take away my outline, Control D to duplicate it. Well, no, I don't want to do that. I'm going to do the interactive fill tool, put a little darkness there. That's pretty good. Control D to duplicate, Alternate C to rotate it that 90 degrees, and what's going to happen, now there's a space between them. So you've got kind of like a line. Now, if we put a black box around it, it's going to be black. But if you printed this on something white, it'll show through. Anyway, hope that maybe gave you some ideas or two, and thank you for watching. It actually looks pretty cool in black. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.